Yeah, I want the world. Yeah, I want it all. Said I want the world. Yeah, I want the world. I'm coming to get it. Don't care what you heard. Don't care what you heard. I'm taking it all cause I want the world. Yeah, I want the world.
Hi guys, welcome back to Mind of David Empire. And today we're going to be opening this University Yum Box. And I'm Kinsley.
I'm Destiny.
I'm Olivia, and this is Gabby.
Go.
We're going to let our sister Destiny open the box. So you can go ahead, Destiny.
Okay, so we're going to open the box. And what we got is some snacks from South Korea. That came in the box. It's a welcome to Korea welcome thing. And right here we have this booklet. It's basically going to tell us like the stuff that we have or the names of the snacks. Okay, so we're going to get started.
Gabby is playing with her belly button. Put your shirt down, Gabby. So this is So this is it says sweet and spicy wheat snack. It might be a little hot. If it get too hot, y'all let me know if y'all need some water. Let's get this popping.
Okay, let's start.
Get it popping. Hey, get it popping. Hey. Let's see. If it's y'all make sure it ain't too hot for Gabby before y'all open it.
Okay. So you want to?
What it look like? Let me see, Liz.
All right, let's try. Wait, Gabby, wait. We're gonna try it.
Not spicy.
Is it hot?
Sweet. It's sweet.
I don't know about this.
What it taste like?
I don't know.
Oh, it smells nasty. But
It smells nasty.
I don't like it. This is a no.
hot. I rate this from 1 to 10. From 1 to 10, my best rate was a 2.
This is a 5 because it's not that bad, but like I wouldn't just eat it like it's a snack.
This is yellow.
Y'all want me to take
More space. And
this next?
Okay, this snack is called Cola potato chips, and I don't know about this, but we're gonna try it.
Guys,
Cola.
like Coca-Cola, guys. Coca-Cola.
Okay.
I think it's gonna taste like, guys.
I don't know about this. I can't open it. Okay, we're gonna have to open it the weird way. All right.
I'm gonna give this to my mommy.
Just put it on there.
Okay. Ooh, it stank. It smell like cola. Honey, you got a big chip. Here.
It smells like Coca-Cola for serious. That's what it looks like.
No. No.
Let me see it.
No.
It tastes like Coca-Cola.
Let me see it. I'm gonna put it on the camera so they can see.
God, it tastes like Coca-Cola for real.
No.
Not getting done.
Do not put cola on the chip. No. You like it?
It tastes good. Well,
I'll give this a 2. This is nasty.
Guys, from 1 to 10,
I'm not-
I give this a 9.
I'm not gonna say that it tastes nasty, but it definitely tastes like Coca-Cola.
Yeah.
Guys, so from the 1 to 10, I give this.
It's like crunchy Coca-Cola.
Guys,
Yeah.
so from 1 to 10,
It's nasty.
Guys, so from 1 to 10,
No.
I rate this
Another
a 5.
I thought it was nasty.
Guys, it's crazy. The 1 to.
Okay, on to the next
All right, y'all get to the
snack.
next
The
one.
next snack is.
The next snack we got is some potato chip yogurt.
Oh, those are yogurt flavor.
Yogurt. I don't know what this one tastes like.
We're gonna put all these to the side for Daddy to taste when he get home.
I'm nervous about this
They
one.
kind of look like
Okay.
vanilla yogurt.
Wait. Alright, you ready? Okay.
Shut up, vanilla yogurt. Crunchy vanilla yogurt. From 1 to 10, I rate
It's not
this
that
my
bad.
favorite.
I give this
9.
I would eat that. Bro.
Gabby, what about you?
Is it or no?
Yogurt flavored potato chips. I don't know.
I give it a 100.
Kenzie like them.
I give it a 10.
Let's see. I'm gonna pass y'all the next bag.
I'm nervous about this one. Okay, next bag we got some Kuko.
These are good. The yogurt potato chips.
Yeah, Kuko corn puffs. Cocoa.
So basically, these are chocolate and coconut flavored corn puffs.
Ooh, that sounds good. Chocolate and coconut mixed together. Coconut chocolate.
Wait till
Alright, guys, so here's what it looks like. It's good. Guys, so this is what it looks like. It looks like a brown.
It tastes like a Cocoa Puff, like a cereal.
Yeah.
I like Cocoa Puff.
It's good.
Gabby, what it taste like?
It's not
I
bad.
like it.
I give it 100. 100.
I like that.
Oh, that's real. A lot of chocolate too. All right, next
Oh
bag.
Lord, this is kind of spicy, y'all. So I don't know if we're gonna give it to Gabby.
It says, what does it say? Spicy corn chips.
Yeah, it's probably not that bad.
All right, South Korea. I like the yogurt chips, the Cocoa Puffs. Which one's your favorite so far?
The Cocoa
Because
Puff.
I love them.
Oh,
Can I get another Cocoa Puff?
hold on.
Okay, so what we got right now is we got some spicy corn chips.
Guys, I
So,
don't know.
here.
I'm gonna want a small.
This is flavored with real chicken, curry, onion, and garlic.
Well, I'm gonna try this first, so maybe it's too hot. Okay.
Is it real hot?
Lava.
It's real hot. It's got a little kick. Little kick. Hold on, let me get y'all some water.
It's good though.
My water's on the chair by my phone.
I like
This is mine.
Kids, I need something sweet.
Okay, next we got
so
cheddar.
spicy.
Next we got cheddar cheese, kettle chips. So let's
This is
get
not
started.
gonna be spicy, guys.
It's not spicy. You can get this one, Gabby.
What'd you say it was?
Cheddar cheese, kettle chips.
Okay.
You like it?
How is it, Gabby?
It tastes like a ruffle. Tastes like a ruffle, don't it? Tastes like a ruffle. Is it good?
Guys, Gabby's popping that.
Tastes like a ruffle.
Got the hair. I give it 1,000.
Okay, next we got hot chicken crunchy corn puffs.
Oh, Lord.
So
I wonder what it's gonna taste like. I better wait for the two.
Let me tell them what it is.
I'm gonna open it.
You said hot chicken. Oh, this is chicken. It says sweet and spicy fried chicken flavored corn puff.
Oh yeah.
And it says it contains meat.
Oh,
you can have this, baby. Oh, it's like a cheese puff. Come through, Korea.
Hey, so it looks like
Hey.
one of those Cheetos.
It looked fried.
I can't bite it.
It ain't good.
Korea, come through.
Korea ain't come through.
Korean,
Let me tell you
They
this.
ain't come through this time.
Let me see. Did Gabby get one? You like it, Gabby?
Want some drink?
I like it. I like it.
Korea ain't come through for that.
Okay, next snack.
I'm so fake, Gabby.
This is 2 of these, so y'all can split them. 2 people, 2 people.
I'll share with Gabby. I'll share this.
All right. So what we got is a cocoa pie, green tea.
I wonder what green tea would taste like.
Green tea
Gabby.
cocoa pie.
This.
Ooh, it's like a moon pie, y'all.
Yeah.
Oh, let me get y'all some plates.
Ooh, we got marshmallow in it. Oh my god, we're making a mess. Here.
Then it got marshmallow in it.
Mhm.
Ooh, Gabby. Silly, you and Des can share a plate. I didn't grab a plate.
I gave you.
Oh, y'all, this is good though.
Because I don't know what it tastes like. I'm just going to take a little bite.
What it taste like?
It's just like a moon pie.
But what did green tea taste like?
I don't taste it.
I'll take it right here. Let me see a piece of it.
It's not that bad. You don't like it?
I don't like it.
You can put it on the plate.
I don't like that.
Chop it.
Let Des open them.
Okay, this is a New York cheesecake. Bakey, I think.
Let's need a plate.
Because I wonder what it's going to taste like. Oh, and I rate that at 2.
Okay. I don't even ew. Okay, let's break them too. Wait a minute.
Break it. What did it say? Oh, those were
New
Looks
York
like a little
cheesecake.
Twinkie.
a New York cheesecake, like a pastry type snack. Y'all leave Daddy a piece. Somebody leave Daddy a piece.
You can have these too.
No.
Y'all don't like them?
No.
Dang, I thought those were going to be good. Put it in the bag.
It's good.
You like it, Kinsley?
Because we made a big mess on the table. I mean, you should put a table.
It's like a strawberry. You know them strawberry
I don't know.
shortcake?
Yeah, it ain't that good.
No.
Next snack.
Ooh, yeah, I've been wanting to try
Yes.
these. Okay. These is almond and chocolate.
Oh yeah, chocolate and almond coated biscuit sticks.
Now, these gonna be good. I already know what it is. These gonna be good. I already know what it is. Okay. Ooh.
Oh, they all stuck together, huh?
Okay, we're gonna try to break this apart.
This cheesecake one is actually good when you eat the inside.
Okay. Now, oh yeah, this is good.
It's your pencil stick.
This is good.
She faking. You faking.
I don't like almonds. It's a pencil stick. It's a pencil stick.
If we would have said peanuts, you would have been dogging it out.
Yeah,
I don't like
this is
peanuts
good.
that much either.
So you about to act like you about to throw. Next that. I don't know what this is.
Okay. This is chocolate hazelnut.
Let me see if I can do something. I ain't even been reading it. So these are hazelnut cream filled wafers.
I don't even like wafers, so I don't think I'm gonna like this. Okay.
Hold on, y'all need some plates.
We're going to play with Daddy. Daddy.
Is there another one in there?
Let's break them in half. How many in there?
4. Okay, we're gonna.
Give Gabby some.
Looks like chocolate inside.
It is. It's it's hazelnut cream. It's basically like a chocolate
You know, it's
flavor,
like-
hazelnut flavor
You
chocolate.
know those things that like look like it's like a wafer, but
The
it's
long
chocolate?
one,
Mhm.
yeah.
That's what it tastes like.
That'd be like swirly. You dip it in
But-
coffee and stuff.
But this tastes like an ice cream cone.
Coat outside.
Can I get another piece? Ma, you know
It's
that you have
It's
Vanilla?
hard. Here's Lucy. I'll get Gabby a piece. You want a piece? Okay. On for the next snack. Okay. What is this? This is, I think, this is churros. Churros? This is churros.
I'm gonna try
It's a
it now.
Spanish
Let me help
dessert.
you out.
It's a Spanish dessert.
Churros.
Churros.
These are. I don't even see it.
Okay, let's try.
Churros.
Oh, Gabby, no.
The churros.
Oh, okay. I see. They are churros. It's cinnamon and maple. Hold on, cinnamon and maple flavored wheat snack. So kind of like what y'all had earlier, but just a different flavor.
Because it looks like cinnamon. And it smells like cinnamon. Like those cinnamon toast crunch at Taco Bell.
Mm-hmm.
That's what it tastes like.
Those crunch twists, the cinnamon twist thing.
You like it, Gabby?
Sorry, it's good.
That one's from Taco Bell now. You want it? The gummy bears?
Okay, the next thing we got is a victory pie.
Blueberry.
It's blueberry, I think.
That's your dad's can.
Victory pie. Y'all speak louder so they can hear y'all.
Oh, we have a victory pie right here.
What is the flavor?
Blueberry.
There's like a chocolate.
That's fine.
Blueberry.
Yeah, it's blueberry. It's
It
blueberry.
is a chocolate covered cookie with blueberry jam filling.
Cause it looks like those windmill cookies, heart things on the top.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
I don't like that blueberry. That blueberry.
Nope.
The blueberry
Y'all
takes it
don't like
away.
it?
The blueberry takes it away.
You like it, Kinsley? Or you still eating?
Blueberry.
The blueberry
I
takes it
feel like-
away, Gabby.
I feel like chocolate and blueberry don't go together.
Oh,
I think y'all might only need to open 2 packs because I feel like it's 2 inside.
It is.
there's two inside.
So here, Olivia. No, here, Gabby. Here, Gabby.
I like the blueberry cookie.
Here it is.
Bro, this finna taste like a rice cake.
What is it?
Look how it is in the inside.
Oh!
It look like them Gerber snacks that Gabby used to eat, or those
This
That
is
ain't got a
good.
Oh, but it's good. Okay.
It tastes like one of those cheer mix things. You know what I'm talking about? It's good. I want to just eat it though. I know she likes it because it probably tastes like one of the
on the
snacks.
floor.
Guys.
Ooh. What they're opening now is sweet biscuit with mascarpone. Oh, I love mascarpone cream. With mascarpone cream filling. That's probably really good.
Gabby's filling is good. Yeah.
Tastes like a chocolate biscuit.
It don't.
This is bomb.
Oh, it's good. I knew it was gonna be good. Mascarpone.
Oh my god, it's soft too.
I'll just eat this. One whole one for Daddy. And every single university unbox you get will have a yum bag that contains candy inside.
Okay, I'm gonna open up the bag and show you the items that we have from the Yum box bag. Okay, the first thing we have in here is some tangerine jelly. So they go one for you. One for you.
So here's what it looks like in the package.
Tangerine jellies.
Yeah.
Let's see. Bright.
Jeju.
Guys, look, it looks sour. Look, guys. Soft too. When you buy it,
Gabby don't got one.
Oh, sorry, Sil.
You see what man too? Y'all like it?
though.
No.
You like it, Ken?
Sour.
Is it sour?
No, it's just nasty.
So that was a tangerine jelly. They also have the Mamos rice candy.
Okay, we're gonna try the rice candy next. Here, look.
That's probably gonna be nasty.
Probably so. Open it for her. Ooh. And here.
These ones are hard.
Oh no.
Rice cake.
Oh no.
It's one of those rice cakes.
No. That didn't come through. It's nasty. Okay.
Next up, we have
Last thing we have in here is these candies. I don't know what they're called because
It look like it says citron candy.
we got some citron candy. And
So it's probably gonna taste lemony or lime like.
here, look. Open the fur too.
Is that hard candy?
Mm-hmm.
Don't give her one. No, her
lemonade. It's very lemon.
Y'all ain't like those.
It's all. You don't like it? This is all the snacks that we had from the unbox, and my favorite was this one, which is the almond and chocolate thing.
My favorite was the Cocoa Puffs and the grape sour candies. My favorite was the chips.
which is the cheddar cheese kettle chip.
Gabby, point out.
And I love this one.
Gabby, what was your favorite?
This cocoa chip and this one.
But Gabby telling us what her favorite
What the
is.
favorite one was?
Pink.
It was these?
You like these, guys? You like these? Okay, guys, we're about to end this video. If you like this video, make sure you hit the like button
Subscribe to this channel.
and hit that notification bell. If you have already seen most of our videos, make sure you go check out our Instagram page. It's Little Miss Ink. Thank you for tuning in to Minor David's Empires.
Bye.
Bye.
Not just me, no cap. They say who working, who working. They say who working, who working. They say who working, who working. I'm really working. Ay, we really working. Ay, they say who working, who working. They say who working, who working. I'm really working. Ay, we really working. Ay, I'm really working. We really working. Ay, I'm really working. Ay, they say who working, who working. They say who working, we working. They say who working, we working. Say who working, we working. working. Yeah.